Hello, this is DIY with Jules and welcome back to my channel. I can't wait to share my Christmas home decor with you. Join me as I welcome you into my home this year where I've chosen to embrace a more subdued palette with pastel colors while still adding a touch of glam. As you step into my foyer, you'll be greeted by a stunning tall tree, one of two of my pencil trees, featuring a captivating darker turquoise that sets the tone that you can see immediately. I even used the same colors for my trees that I DIY'd this season. I have a video link down below so that you can see several of my year's creations. I began my decorating journey in the living room, which I adorned with soft pastels like pink, mint green, light blue, and a hint of purple. I truly enjoyed decorating my trees this year because they bring me a serene and inviting vibe to my home, all while embracing the whimsical Candyland theme. My kitchen and breakfast nook feature my collection of gingerbread ornaments along with some new additions that I created or purchased this year. I absolutely love how it all came together. It makes me feel like a little girl again every time I enter this space. The whimsical charm of the decoration brings a sense of nostalgia and joy that transformed my kitchen into a festive haven. This small area, though not so small in my life, is dedicated to my Lord and Savior. I believe He is the reason for the season. While I decorate my home with trees and a few Santas, I never forget the significance of this beautiful painting and what it represents in my life. It serves as a constant reminder of my faith and gratitude, bringing a deeper meaning to my holiday celebration. My dining room is adorned with all of my crystal and clear resin decorations, including my beautiful reindeers and my stunning crystal Santa. I chose soft rose gold, pink, and light blue for my tinsel tree. And I'm so in love with my newly acquired 18-inch crystal reindeers. The table is set and ready for an amazing dining experience that's sure to wow my guests. The elegant decor creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, perfect for celebrating the season with loved ones. Well, guys, as I come to the end of my tour, I hope that you enjoyed exploring my home. I especially want to encourage you to leave me a comment, as I truly enjoy reading all of the wonderful words of encouragement. I look forward to seeing you all in my next video, and please don't forget to share this and other videos with your family and friends. Thank you for being a part of my journey. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.